We've seen steadier price levels for the base metals this morning in what has largely been a fairly low-key trading session. Some reasonable volumes going through on copper and in aluminium, but for most of the metals the turnovers have been light. Nevertheless, as we say, it's a steadier trend that's mostly prevailing. That's taken place against the background of an uptick in the euro, and with the metals complex, at least for the moment, putting to one side the renewed worries about Eurozone debt following Spain's ratings downgrade. Even the data this morning that we've seen out of Europe has not been particularly constructive, but the market seems to be focusing more on the short-term covering that's coming through, most notably in the copper market, which is against a background of near-term tightness. The copper market itself, fairly narrow range that we've seen so far today, less than 100 between the high and $100 between the high and the low. It's holding around about $83.50 a tonne. That's slightly steadier on the day. Most of the focus has been on the near-term tightness. The TOMNEX, the very sensitive nearby date, traded at 13 backwardation, and with warehouse stocks falling to 40-month lows, that's not particularly surprising. For the rest of the day there will be some focus on US data, GDP for the first quarter, and the consumer sentiment index out of the University of Michigan, which may see prices further ticking up if the data is reasonably favourable, with more short covering yet to be done. This is Martin Hayes of Fastmarkets on the floor of the LME.